Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we want to do a review on the Echo Dot wall socket holder for second generation. Pretty cool. You will need the Echo Dot second generation and its charger. Let's check it out. In my description I will have a link and where to buy. I think is absolutely amazing. Comes with secret gift, warranty, also your instructions. Okay, instead of hiding under top of your dresser or anything, you want to hang it against the wall. This is what you need. And as you can see, you have your Echo Dot. You lock it in. Got that? You have this to hold basically your charger. Okay. Comes with a little wire. And you put this here. That will hold it into place, as you can see. And now you grab your little charger. Locks in and goes like this. This is exactly what it looks like. Absolutely amazing how the setup is. Like I said in my description, I will link where to buy. So I'm going to plug it to the wall and show you how it works. Okay, here's the outlet. Plug it on, and that's it. That's how it looks. It is absolutely amazing. Amazing. See that? Amazing. Well, that's it. As you can see, right behind me, plug it to the wall, and it works perfectly fine instead of having it on top of your dresser. Well, like and subscribe. There's more to come. Thanks.